So what is the CFPB and what are they up to? Hi, Steve Schwab with the Portland Lifestyle Team, where we live and sell the Portland lifestyle. Hey, before we get started today, I want to quickly bring to your attention to the left of me on the website. We've updated that blue box. If you're thinking about selling or if you just want a relative value of your home today, click on that blue box, answer a couple of quick questions, and it's going to shoot you immediately that relative value. If you're thinking about buying a home, click on that orange box. It's going to give you access to every single home for sale today in the greater Portland area, which there's very, very few of them. But click there, take a look, and maybe we can talk about that. Getting started now. Peter Weiss is with Fairway Independent Mortgage. Fairway is our preferred lender here in the office. And we've actually been doing business with Peter for a long time, and we're going to talk about the CFPB, or Consumer Financial Protection Bureau.
Yep.
And Pete, tell us what the CFPB is.
CFPB is a governmental agency created out of the mortgage crisis that happened in 2007-2008, in a nutshell.
Great, okay. And the CFPB is driving some changes that are going to come out later this year.
The idea behind the CFPB, Steve, is to create a kind of a net or a protection for the consumer. And that's why they were kind of created, because of all the mortgage crisis and whatnot. But yes, they're making a change. It's the TIL, RESPA, Integrated Disclosure, TRID for the acronyms. The idea behind that is to condense some of the disclosures that are currently sent out to the consumer. The TIL, the good faith estimate, the HUD-1 settlement statement, they're actually pulling all those disclosures together and creating one. They're calling it the closing disclosure that goes out 3 days before the consummation of a loan.
Great, great. And the 3 days is an important number because let's say you're have a transaction that's going to close day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
What happens? What kind of material change has to happen?
It's got to be
what
a major.
does that mean?
It's got to be a major change. For example, the APR. The APR goes up over 1/8 of a point. They add a fee that creates the APR going up, and that would create a delay.
Okay.
How Fairway is doing it is once we get a final approval, we'll send the closing disclosure out to the customer well before the closing date, so they can have time to review it. Once they review it, they sign it, and they send it back. We're ready to go. And so that's why we're going to try to hit every closing on time.
Great. Okay, so good to know. Just recognizing the fact that changes are coming that could impact the timeline of a real estate transaction.
October 3rd.
October 3rd.
October
It was
3rd.
originally August 1st, wasn't it?
Yeah, they pushed it back to October 3rd, which is a Saturday, believe it or not, to allow more time for the banks and institutions to really kind of implement it, make sure their practices are up to date, current, and that they're aware of everything that's coming in. They just want to give a little more time for the banks and the institutions just to make sure they have everything in line.
Awesome. So there you have it.
Yeah.
Big changes coming. I'd like to also throw out there that if you have a question that's mortgage finance related, shoot it to us or call the office here at 503-567-7437 or hit the email there that should be on the lower part of your screen. And give us that question. We'll bring Pete back in and we'll talk about that. We'll answer those questions. Likewise, hey, if you're thinking about it's time to refi, Pete's got some great programs and some great rates. So give us a call here again as well. We'll put you in touch with Pete and maybe help you out there a little bit. So there you have it. Looking forward to talking to you again next time. Thanks for tuning in, and you have a great day.